Shout out to the beard lovers. A lot of people ask me, Law, how do you get the thickness of the beard? I'm not sponsored by this product, but I use this product. You split the hairs in there, it's parted, you coat it with that. I'm not a person that's conventional, but to get that extra shine, and you know beard products are very expensive until I get a product that is with it to back me up and promote me. I just been using household items, man, that you can pick up for cheap. This right here, Stay Flow, it works. It got all of the great ingredients to it. Now, I do know that some people will say, nah, man, you can't use this, you can't use that. Now, I said before, genetics plays a major role, not a minor to it. Also, with that being said, we also use the pink oil moisturizer. Now, when you use either of these products, whether it's corn, huskers, or lotion, whether it's Stay Fro, you know, that right here, this is for black beards, by the way. I don't know how it's gonna work if you are the other persuasion, you know what I'm saying, the Caucasian persuasion. I don't know how that stuff would work. I don't think that you would use pink oil moisturizer nor Stay Fro, but you can try to use it. Let me know how that works out for you. But this bottle right here will last you at least a year and a half or even more, and use it for your hair, everything that you can utilize as far as from the brother. Now, as far as from, if you're another race, I don't know. I can only tell you guys what I use. Now, this got vitamin E, pro-vitamin B5, it revives damaged hair, protects and conditions. Now, I've told people before that you got to figure out your groove. You got to figure out what's your angle. You got to figure out what's worked for you. And of course, drinking plenty of water, fluids, and these sorts of things will help you out as well. Meditating and all of those things will help out. But 9 times out of 10, to get that good coarse beard, I would recommend when you get out of the shower, make sure the beard, you get it wet or what have you, make sure it's moisturized. You can slightly dampen your beard, parting your beard, and then apply this just like you're greasing your scalp. And then you let it comb through from there. And for me, for my texture, it works. It could probably work for you as well. But like I said, drink plenty of water. Try to use corn husk oil, lotion. Once you get out of the shower, take your multivitamin pills and grow your beard. That's what you gotta do. You gotta grow your beard. Can't be bald faced around here. Grow that beard. Y'all better grow that beard, man. Don't be smooth faced around here or bald face. And if your job telling you that you gotta have a smooth face, and look them into the eyes and say, do a line and have a smooth face? I'm a beast. Just playing with y'all. Y'all get fired. Y'all be like, Law, where can I go get a job at? But no, not work for me, because you don't follow the rules. There's rules to this thing. Pink oil moisturizer. Now, pink oil moisturizer is really thick. It's really thick. Come out real thick, and it leaves a haze on your face. So I recommend when you get out of the shower, you apply this, but don't just apply it to dirt while it's on your face or what have you. Make sure your beard is clean. Now, I'm horrible at giving you guys advice on this, but I can just tell you that this will work. And look, this says heavy duty hand treatment. But for some reason, the moisturizer in this thing works for my set of skin. It alleviates the itch and it alleviates the dryness, but you got to split the hair and apply it. while it's damp. Don't apply a lot. It don't take a whole bunch of it. Just little bit pieces of it. It got a good smell to it. It do. Yeah, it got a good smell to it. And I know it got some other stuff that you probably shouldn't have in your body. You know, it got alcohol 40-B, whatever that is. It have cyclosin, I think they're saying, sarcosin. We got all of that stuff that you don't supposed to have probably. But it works. The fragrance smells good. Now, this one, comb out conditions with liolin. For all of the people that score high in English and pronunciations for the nation, y'all can pronounce it if you want to be correct on a lot of things. But extra dry, see what it's saying? Extra dry. You spray this bad puppy on. Now, this doesn't matter. I don't, you know, if you want to just spray this on, it really doesn't count whether or not fresh out of the shower for this one, but it works better. I don't combine the two. Maybe you come up with a regimen. The only two that I ever combined are these two in a setting. So work out a regimen. Maybe use the corn huskers on the odd days out of the week, and then you can use this one. You don't want it to cake it on every time you get out of the shower, but a dime size, rub it in your hand together and spread it all over your face. Now, if you ever seeing your beard becomes like extra dry, what have you, then use the So Fro. I just call it Stay Flow, but So Fro. And you know, it don't matter when you spray this one. See, it don't matter when you spray this one, and then it just comes through from here. Yup. Then that thing is gonna blend pretty well. It got all type of good ingredients in it. It's gonna have a good comb through feel, a good texture. You know, the lady can rub her hands through it, shoot her hands through it, she'll like it, and then it smells pretty good too. This soft sheen Carson smells pretty good as well. I don't see a lot of, well, got chloride in it. If you like one of those people that's like, hey, all of the harmful chemicals and these sorts, they got a whole bunch of chemicals in this thing, but you can utilize it. I mean, the best thing to do is use, hear me out, use corn huskers or pink oil moisturizer. Drink plenty of fluid and get right to it. Grow your beard. Don't have no baby beard out there. All right, so post me your results. Shoot it out to my Instagram. That would be LAWS Nation, or shoot me a details of information about your beard growth. Shoot me a picture at lawsnation@gmail.com, and maybe you can shoot me a Twitter DM. You know, I can try to, if I check it, you know, I can get back with you on that one. But hit me up when I'm live on my other platforms, and we'll see how we can help you out by growing your beard. And that's where I can probably work out something with you when I have some time to go over that. That's been my time. I really thank you all for yours. And remember, you're listening to nothing but the best. Grow your beard, baby. Don't have no baby beard out there. Grow that thing. Grow it. You see it glistening. Let that set in, and then in the morning time, oh yeah. See? That comb through action. Look at that. Grow your beard. Grow it. Command it. And it will happen. And if their beard is not better than mine, don't listen to them. Real talk.